After a long absence from the Suzuka 8 Hours, Yamaha is officially making its return in the 2025 edition. But what makes this even more exciting isn't just the comeback of the Yamaha Factory Racing Team. It's the bike they're bringing with them, a YZF-R1 with a special livery. This isn't just a new color scheme. It carries a deep meaning, celebrating Yamaha's rich racing heritage while marking their milestone 70th anniversary. And if we look at Yamaha's past patterns, there's a good chance they might release a limited edition YZF-R1 after this event. So what are the details? Yamaha has officially confirmed that their factory team will return to the 2025 Suzuka 8 Hours after being absent since 2019. This is part of their 70th anniversary celebration, marking their journey since 1955. The announcement was made during the Yamaha Motorsports press conference in Tokyo, where the company emphasized that this is more than just another race. They want to bring the essence of Kondo, a Japanese concept that represents a deep sense of satisfaction and intense excitement when experiencing something truly special. And the highlight of Yamaha's return to Suzuka? The YZF-R1 in a special anniversary livery. For Yamaha fans, the red and white color scheme will feel instantly familiar. This livery is inspired by Yamaha's 1964 Grand Prix racing colors, a design that became a signature look for their race bikes on the international stage. Additionally, it pays tribute to the 1999 Yamaha YZF-R7 limited edition, a bike that was produced in just 500 units worldwide and competed in the Suzuka 8 Hours that same year. Looking at Yamaha's history, they often release special editions following major racing moments. For example, after winning the 2015 Suzuka 8 Hours, they introduced the YZF-R1 60th Anniversary Edition, featuring the brand's iconic color scheme. So, it wouldn't be surprising if we see a YZF-R1 70th Anniversary Edition after this event, a tribute to Yamaha's long and storied racing legacy. Yamaha isn't just returning to Suzuka 8 Hours, they're bringing back a special YZF-R1 that embodies decades of racing history. And based on their tradition of launching commemorative editions, a 70th Anniversary Edition YZF-R1 could be on the horizon. What do you think? Does this livery deserve to be called one of the best in Yamaha's history? Share your thoughts in the comments.